Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. You were watching Man versus...
Corinne versus Pin versus Bob Ross.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross.
I hope that you know who Bob Ross is.
Bob Ross is the godfather of DIY videos.
Happy trees, his little happy little rocks and rivers. So today we are going to be taking the Bob Ross challenge, which is trying to recreate a Bob Ross painting. However, because there's this new trend on the internet where people are just listening to the voiceovers.
Thanks, Christine.
Or having their boyfriends
Thanks, Jenna.
reinterpret the directions. Today we are going to be listening to a Bob Ross tutorial without seeing or watching it, only through audio.
It's already hard enough to paint a picture of anything.
But we have no idea what he's painting. So here we go. The audio only Bob Ross challenge.
So let's get started, shall we?
All right, here we go.
Oh,
Yeah, this is slow jam right here.
Woo!
Bob Ross in it.
There we are. We'll take a little touch of phthalo blue.
He said something about blue.
Now we'll start just making little X's.
Here.
Where?
And we'll work all the way across the canvas.
Little crisscross strokes. All the way across the canvas. That's nice.
Oh, it's a sky.
Let the canvas work for you. Allow the colors and the paint, everything to work together to make it easy.
Let the canvas work for you, Rob. It's easy.
People who have never painted do this every day.
That doesn't make any sense, Bob Ross.
I think I'll have some water in this painting today. I love water.
Make water.
Pull from the outside to in.
Okay, outside in. Outside in. That makes sense. From one side of the painting to the other.
If everything works just right, it'll look like a sheen of lights just streaking right across your water.
What?
What I got going on over here? You don't have the sheens of light?
Now then, I want to darken the corners on this one.
Dark corners, yes, queen.
These dark corners will help lead the eye toward the center of the painting.
Oh, smart.
I can see the dimension there.
Uh-huh. Coming along. Don't look at my
Is there water on the bottom too?
Wait, did you miss the whole stream?
Wait, is
Body
there
of water?
the whole bottom?
I don't know.
We
What?
really overshot the water part. I didn't get enough information about that.
Now comes the most fun part of the whole technique, and that's washing the brush.
We have to wash the brush?
This is where I really have a good time.
Whose favorite part?
And just beat the devil out of it.
Just beat the devil out of it. Whoa. What is he doing? He's like he's in a barn.
More cowbell. What the? Woo! Turf in the wind, bitches. Let's paint some happy trees.
Wow.
Happy
okay.
little
All
clouds.
right, we're moving on.
Today,
Today.
let's we'll use a little bit of phthalo blue, some alizarin crimson, a little bit of black.
Whoa.
Little black. I swear to God, the things he's saying sound like Harry Potter spells.
Elizabeth Crimson.
Alizarin crimson,
And then licorice black.
a little bit of black.
Like what?
I want to make a little mountain in here.
Oh, wait. We're doing a mountain scene.
Yeah, right in here.
Wait, he's using something different. He's not using a brush anymore. When he does the mountains, he uses one of these. I knew it. We gotta summit the mountain.
All right.
Mount Bob.
Grab it and literally move color.
What the f is he doing?
Don't be afraid of it because it's dark. We're going to put a few little highlights on it.
Don't be afraid because it's dark.
But you decide where all the little protrusions on your mountain live.
What
I had a
protrusions?
breakthrough. There's no right or wrong, Rob.
God damn it.
The only rule that we have here is that painting should make you happy. You should enjoy it.
The painting should make you happy.
It's not.
It's what it makes it all
This is
worthwhile.
f***ing dumb.
I mean, it looks good from in the camera. It looks pretty cool, actually. Not giving up.
And you can do it. You can do it.
This guy. F you, Bob Ross. I don't know what the f I'm doing right now.
No one does. Mine looks terrible. I f***ed it up.
God, relax.
Oh, it looks so stupid.
It's fun to take and reflect a mountain right into the water. Sometimes you may find when you first start, it's easier to take the canvas off your easel and turn it upside down and just basically repaint the mountain.
Why is your pond all the way at the top of your painting?
Because I just flipped the f***ing canvas over, remember? What planet are you on? I got my reflection here. Oh, shit. How's your reflection looking over there? I said, how's your reflection looking over there? Mine's looking f***ing dope.
I'm still working on my happy little mountains here. Stop trying to make me unhappy in my painting process. It's all about happiness.
You don't want to go up and touch the canvas with a wet brush.
You're a wet brush.
Keep your canvas and your paint as thick and firm as possible.
Thick and firm. Okay.
Just want the indication of little things happening.
What?
No pressure. Absolutely no pressure.
No pressure, brah.
What is he painting right now?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
And it's really and truly up to you. You decide what's in your world.
Shut up.
You decide what to do is what he's saying.
He's being way too deep.
Don't be afraid of this brush because it's large. It'll do wonderful things.
That's what she said.
Maybe right in here, there's a little foothill lives right here.
A little foothill.
Just a little footy hill.
Little footy hill there. There's my little footy hill.
And we can go right in here and get an indication of a little reflection of that.
Now I know what he's talking about.
What is he talking?
A reflection on the water
Yeah.
of the mountains.
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
I don't think you know what the is going on here.
I
Is
don't.
what I'm putting together.
Hey, you, buddy.
Stop! Don't with me. Get the out of here with your little brush. Get out of here with it. Stop!
A little bit of liquid white, and we'll just cut in a little water line.
Oh, water line. Okay, all right.
This is sort of a light area that separates the two darks.
That sounds racist.
Learn to take advantage of what happens. We call those happy accidents. Now then, maybe in our world we're going to have a big tree.
Where's the tree?
What about in my world, there's an alien invasion?
When you paint, you begin to see things. Let them happen. Just let them happen.
I'm having a happy accident right now.
Happy little tree lives right here and watches everything happen.
I don't care at this point, Bob.
And we can put the indication of a little land mass here.
This sucks.
Of little stones, all in one stroke.
I'm making little stones here for you, Bob.
A few little highlights here and there. Just a few little dooders.
Little doodles? Dooders?
Really hope you've enjoyed this. And God bless my friend.
It's over?
That's it? Oh,
I'm good.
what the
Oh, I got paint everywhere.
I know, I don't know what you were thinking.
Because it's for the goddamn camera, obviously.
Can we reveal each other's...
Yeah. So I've gone through many emotions with this painting. At first, it started out very literal, as an actual mountainscape. Now it's more of an abstract mountainscape. It's really about the color combinations. It's supposed to make you feel emotions. Like...
Wow. Wow! No, that is...
You know what I mean? With the emotions.
That's taking me somewhere.
So like, you can see happy trees.
But the trees are like, so like, oh, it's almost like a faded happiness, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's in the background.
Yes.
I like it, I'm afraid to show you mine.
I would love to see yours.
So, this is, what we got
What
here
happened?
is it's perspective.
So that's what, like, you're hiding behind a tree,
Yes.
and then you're looking at the mountain from behind the tree.
Yeah, like, almost like this is like the Bigfoot perspective. You see that kind of like
I thought
reflecting?
this was a boat.
That's not a boat. The big comparison, however, is with Bob Ross's picture. This is that's his finished one. But and for the side by side, this is yours.
You see those? See how mine's like a reflection still?
This is art.
It's an abstract. It's abstract.
It's beautiful.
Subjective.
Maybe
You know what I mean?
maybe a little too much blending.
And Bob told me that there's no wrong
There
answers.
isn't. There isn't.
So I think mine looks pretty good.
Mine.
No, yours is definitely a much better match to the original painting.
But-
you kind of got like a mirrored version. You definitely win for accuracy.
I wouldn't say winning. Compared to yours, no way. You couldn't see at all.
Yeah.
So that's really what that turned.
It's impressionism, really, of a mountain scene.
For sure.
So, vote in the comments down below which painting you would hang on your wall. Would it be my beautiful take on a mermaid landscape? Or would it be Rob's Bigfoot perspective?
Wow. Do us a favor, click that like button, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Oh, you. What the see you next time.
Well, as always, make sure to subscribe, like up this video. Oh my god, did you just get that in my hair?
I just got just a little bit.
Did you?
Just a little.
No! I just washed my hair. I just washed it.
Okay.
Oh my
Well, we'll see you around here next time. Blah blah blah. Yada yada yada. Bob Ross. R.I.P.